Hi, I'm Leong from AACS Year 2 Century Group 1. I want to present about the fundamentals of community network assignment. Let's start. We have helped the media web broadcaster to set up the LAN network across 3 different locations. Location A have 3 different departments in different flow, and location B have a distance 500 meters from location A, and also 3 different departments in different flow. And also the location C have a distance 200 meters from location A and have 2 same departments. And then we set up the LAN network is to provide the end-to-end connectivity, and also the number of addresses needed for 29% growth in all areas. Then we start to explain about the network design. In this network topology have 3 different locations. In location A have administration department, newsroom department, production department. And in location B have marketing department, human resource department, and engineering department. And also in location C have 2 international news departments. The router we use is router-BT. In this model have 8 gigabit internet port, and 2 gigabit internet port is provide the fiber optic connections. The switch we use is 2950T-24. In this model have 24 fast internet port and 2 gigabit internet port. The gigabit internet port we are using to connect with switch and router. The fiber optic cable we use in this topology is connect with router to router because the router to router have a long distance. The copper to straight 2 cable we use in this network topology is connect within the locations. For example, in location B, we connect the router to the switch. And also we have used the copper crossover cable to connect with switch to switch. For the host growth table, we have calculated the final required host after 29% growth. For example, the administration department have a required host 497 and multiply with 29%, we get 145 and plus it together to get the final result, which is 642. Next, the device table, we are calculate about the switch needed and the end device can connect within each department. For example, in location C, the administration department, the host needed after 29% growth is 642, and we divide with the switch port provided 26, we get 25, and also we can calculate the end device. For example, we use the host needed 642 minus with 25 and also minus with 1 extra router port because the router port is use the first switch to connect with the router. So we get the 616. For the subnet table, we are using the class full addressing scheme. So the IP address given is 10.0.0.0. The default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. And we can use the largest host needed, which is from the administration department 642 to calculate the subnet address. So based on the largest host needed, we can know that the host bit needed is 10 because 2 power of 10 we can get 1024 to fit the largest host. So we can put the 10 bit of host from the right to the left, and for another is put as 1 as the network bit. So we can get that the custom subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. So we also can know about the magic number is at the third octa, which is 2 power 2 equal to 4. And then we can know that each subnet will increase in third octa by 4. For example, administration department is 10.0.0.0, in newsroom department is 10.0.4.0. And now let we calculate the first usable host for each department. For example, administration department, the network address is 10.0.0.0, so we need to plus 1 to get the first usable host, which is 10.0.0.1, and the broadcast address is minus 1 from the next subnet address, which is newsroom department 10.0.4.0, so minus 1 is 10.0.3.255, and the last usable host is minus 1 from the broadcast address 10.0.3.254. So we also can use the same method to AV departments. Next, I will pass to my teammate Leong to explain about the addressing table.
Hi, my name is Leong and I will be introducing the addressing table. So in location A, we'll have router, we have switches and PC. For the IP address of switch, we'll be using point 2, and whereas for PC IP address, we'll be assigning them starting from point 254, which is starting from behind. So for the subnet mask, all of the devices are sharing the same value because we are using the classful IPv4 addressing scheme. So this is the default gateway for all of the device. So these are the information in location B. So these are the information in location C. So we'll be entering the command use. So these are the command that we use for switch. This is the enable keyword in order for us to enter the privileged access mode. Then this config terminal is used for us to access the configuration menu. So when we enter the menu, we need to have this code, hostname password, then following with our hostname. Then we are going to this set secret password, and these two are the same as previous. So when we enter the menu, we need to pass in this enable secret, then following with our password, secret password AACS 2034. And this is the set line password, set console line password, and these are the same. Then we need to select the virtual port here, line console 0. Then we enter it. This config line channel, we need to set the password. Then this is the login keyword for us to verify the login page. Yep. And this is the set VT line password command. These are the same one as previous one. And we need to select the virtual port here, line VTY, then starting line and line number. And for our case, we will use 0 and 15 here. And we need to assign the password and log in. And for this, after we've done all of this, we need to save all of the information into the non-volatile RAM. So these are the command: copy running config to startup config. So this is a set IP address and default gateway command for switch. So we use enable config terminal, then we need to select the interface, then we assign the IP address at here and the subnet mask value at here. Then we have this no shutdown in order to change the administration mode from down to up for this interface. Then we exit it, then we assign the default gateway value at here, following with this keyword. Then we will be moving on to the router. So router are the same one. They're sharing the same command for this 5 command. So yeah, these are the same one as previous one. So for router, we will be using this static route command. So these are the command. We will need this destination network, subnet mask, and IP address of next root neighbor. So next I will be having this ping connectivity. Yeah. So I will be start off with the PC0 to ping with PC1 first. So we'll ping the IP address of PC1. So the command will show that the request sign out because the ARP table, the destination of the MAC address is not reached yet. So we will ping for the second time, and it will be successful because the destination MAC address is there already in the table. So I will prompt another one from another location, which is TC3 and 0. It will prompt another game, but again the request timeout because the same problem because the ARP table does not get the MAC destination yet. Yep. I will prompt for another time. Okay, that's it. Yeah, thank you.